Hey, hi guys, how are you? So, this is the second episode of the series where I edit website copy live in front of my audience, which is mostly comprises of freelancers, copywriters who are learning copywriting, and this is also for my prospective clients who want to see how I edit the copy with the website copy and how I improve or how I write it from scratch. So basically, the aim of this exercise is to convey how we write copy and how we edit website copy. Okay, so yesterday we talked about a website where it was about physical therapy, and physical therapy was mentioned in the domain name, in the logo, and then again two times in the this front area of the website. So it was repeatedly mentioned. Physical therapy was mentioned four times, which was too much. So we will talk about those two elements also here. So this is the website today. We have rpautomation.com. This is perfectly fine because the name of the company is rpautomation.com, and then again you can see RP Automation is mentioned here on the top left corner. This is again fine. You can obviously mention the company name once or twice here. So then we have this is written hire Ashley digital employee. Then this is a image which is not clickable. Then we have this subhead. This is your practice management software robot, and you have a clickable link which can give you a demo. Okay, so what is the impression that you get from this website? This is about a digital employee, or is it about automation? What is it about? You should be able to get. But honestly, when I opened this website, I was not able to understand completely what is it about on the in the first 5 seconds. So which I feel the website should convey. Okay, so I scroll down. Obviously, there's a video here, and then we understand what the company does. It's about the digital employee that works around the clock, and it works independently, and it works in the fields of Excel, Word, SQL, EMR. I don't understand SQL, EMR. I'm not the technical person at all, but I understand web form filling, data scraping, data extraction. Obviously, they are very time consuming jobs. So the digital employee helps you to solve these problem maybe round the clock. Okay, so it's obviously smart, fast, and you have the features here, but you have to scroll all the way down to understand a bit about the digital employee. But this area of the landing page does not convey much, which is my primary concern, and I am going to edit it here. I was also, not very happy with the color scheme and the graphics of this website, because I have worked on many websites and I have helped my graphic designers design and add a few elements, choose the color scheme. I come from a professionally artistic background, so I can identify that the colors and the fonts are not working. So I might want to help the website owner to edit and improve the website, but I could not contact the website owner. The contact information not was not available. So let's just do this exercise, right? Begin this exercise now. I want to improve this headline first. Hire Ashley, digital employee. First of all caps does not appeal the eyes at all. So we have to delete it completely and write it as hire a digital employee for 100x work performance. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing about it. 100x. Why have I written 100x? Can I write 10x? Can I write 1000x? Can I write 20x or maybe 50x? No. 10x is still fine, but 100x reads and sounds better. That's why I've written 100x here. Hire a digital employee for 100x work performance. Okay, so but we have to mention the name of Ashley also here. So we say meet. Now we can use caps to emphasize one word, only one word in caps. Okay, meet Ashley. Now someone can really understand that this is about a digital employee whose name is Ashley, and this subhead is totally fine. This says that your Ashley is your practice management software robot. Yes, it works like a robot who can do all these things that the website designer has mentioned here. And then you have why Ashley, how it works, use cases, request a demo is also here. So this is the only thing that I wanted to change here, apart from the colors and fonts. I don't want to change the fonts because it will be a very long video then. So let's just focus on the website copy. Sorry. And I hope you like it. We'll meet for maybe tomorrow or really soon for the next live editing of the website copy. Thank you. See you guys.